Hi, in this video, we will go over additional effects, scripts, and compile a scene. Now we will create separate graph effect, which allows us to assign different colors to the lights in one scene. Right-click on your timeline, then select Add Subscene and choose Separate Graph. Drag your fixtures into the scene. Here, you can select them individually and assign a color to each. Let's make a flag. Select the top rows and assign them a color on the timeline. Great. Now, repeat the same steps for the next two colors. We have two buttons that extend our point to the end of the timeline. Here's how it works. Now we don't have any fading. Let's add more light fixtures, since we'll be reviewing the functions of the video converter and image converter. Let's create a new subscene, Image Converter. Add our fixtures to it as well. Then click Load Image to upload an image. Image format should be JPEG, PNG, or JPEG. Click the button to the left of the gear icon and place the image over our fixtures. Next, click Recalculate and test it out. Perfect. Let's create a custom effect scene. Delete the image converter so it doesn't get in the way. Drag our lights into the subscene, then in the Effects section, click the plus button to add an effect. For example, select the Clouds effect, click Recalculate, and play the subscene. Each effect has its own settings. For example, we can adjust the sky color, scale, speed, and so on. On the left side of the menu, we can see the size, frame rate, and the preview button. Now, let's create a video converter subscene. Drag the fixtures into the subscene, set the duration, and click Load Video to select your video file. Then click the button to the left of the gear icon and drag the video onto the fixtures. You can set the starting point of the video in the Start field. Finally, click Recalculate and check the result. We have the ability to create scripts, which allow us to put together a bigger picture from different scenes. Let's create a script and add some scenes to it. In the Scripts field, click the plus to create a new script. Double-click it to open. This will bring up the timeline. Let's set the duration of our script, for example, 40 seconds, and then drag our scenes into the script. We can also set blending options here, such as replacement, addition, and so on, just like when working with scenes. To compile, select the scene and click Compile Selected Scenes. The compilation menu will open. The same process applies when compiling a script. In the compilation menu, the Compile button will be active. Click it to start compiling. The Compile and Upload buttons will be active if you are connected to the server, in which case you can immediately upload the scene or script to your object. If there is no connection to the server, the compiled file will be automatically saved to Program folder, and you can upload it to the controller later by following CMS instructions.